On the 20th of April in 2010 at 9:45 p.m., a British multinational oil and gas company called BP were drilling in the Gulf of Mexico when the Deepwater Horizon rig near Mississippi River Delta exploded. It spilled more than 200 million gallons of crude oil into the ocean over a period of 87 days and killed 11 men and injured 17 others working on the rig. Many animal species call the Gulf of Mexico home and were severely and tragically impacted by this oil spill, including dolphins, 82,000 birds, 6,000 sea turtles, deep-sea coral, and millions of fish. Pelicans were attempting to make toxic hotspots their new home, and dolphins were miscarrying. Over 8,000 animals died due to this oil spill over a short period of 6 months. Previous oil spills have unfortunately proven that wildlife will be severely at risk in the Gulf for multiple decades to come. Also polluted was 127 miles of the Louisiana coast, which in total is 400 miles. Despite the fact that the gushing crude oil was capped on July of 2010, pockets of crude oil are still washing up on shore today. Studies of the Gulf have shown that pockets of crude oil are scattered in over 1,200 square miles of the sea floor. The once thriving and healthy food chain of the Gulf has been greatly disrupted due to BP's oil spill and has destroyed millions of animal habitats, and has made thousands of miles of coast toxic and not usable to humans and animals. BP is responsible for close to $57 billion in fines, government fines, settlements, and cleanup costs as a result of this historic oil spill. For over 7 years since 2010, oil cleanup crews have been hard at work attempting to burn the oil, absorb the oil, and collect the oil, but yet still have not cleaned the oil spill from the Gulf. BP's name has been tarnished by the public as a result of this historic oil spill, and they have been fined billions of dollars by the government and private citizens. Recently, President Obama has signed the Paris Climate Deal along with other superpower countries to limit fracking and start to use wind and solar power more often. President Obama has also signed legislation that limits fracking and has encouraged the use of clean energy for the United States of America as well. Founder of Tesla Motors, Elon Musk, has been in the forefront of this fight to use clean energy more than we use non-renewable energy, and has sold 125,000 zero-emission all-electric cars since 2008. Prominent politicians such as Bernie Sanders and Hillary Clinton have also led this fight to stop fracking and switch over to clean energy so that we can protect our climate, our water, our air, our land, animals, and us. Thank you.